So this is just a 2-minute walkthrough for Audiobook Library. Audiobook Library gives the audiobooks you already own a mobile-ready Audiobookshelf instance without making you run a server. This means you don't have to worry about server setup. You can also listen from everywhere, meaning your browser or supported mobile phone apps. And things like storage, backups, and updates are also handled for you. To get started, simply click on Start Your Library. This will lead you through the sign up and the checkout process. And once you've done that, you will land on a page that looks similar to this. This page provides you with the link to your own private Audiobookshelf library, which you can open by clicking here. You will then be greeted by the initial server setup, meaning you have to create the first user. Once you've decided on a username and a password, you can click Submit. It will then ask you to log in with the user you just created. You can then go ahead and add your first library. You can do so by clicking here. Give your library a name and select a folder. And finally click on Create. Once that's done, you can go ahead and upload your first audiobook. You can do so by clicking on the Upload button in the upper right corner. In here you can click Choose Files. Select the audiobook you would like to upload and click on Open. You can then go ahead and edit the metadata if you wish. And once you're done, you can click on Upload. So as you can see, this worked. And if we now go back to our home, we will see the newly added audiobook in our library. As you would expect, we can now also play the audiobook and skim through the chapters. So those are the basics for browser usage, and I will now go over the mobile phone usage. To get started with your audiobook library on your phone, you will need a Audiobookshelf compatible app. I'm on Android and will be using the official Audiobookshelf app, but I will also provide resources down in the description on what other apps I recommend. When you first open the app, you will be greeted with this Connect button. Click on it. You are then asked to provide the server address. To get your server address, you can click on Copy Link here. And if you did this on mobile, you can just paste it. Then click on Submit. The username and password is the same as in your browser. And then you will see the audiobook we just uploaded. You can, of course, also click on it to play it and also skim through the chapters. Your listening progress will automatically be synchronized with your browser session, for instance, or any other phone you might be using. That's it. Thank you for watching.